Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. July 6th, I'm sorry. 4th of July weekend. It's 8:30ish in the morning on Saturday, and we're preparing to go to a couple car shows. It's going to be a long day, but just want to take you guys along, enjoy some of the cars. Hopefully we can get some interviews with some other classic car owners, and yeah, let's go. Okay, we're preparing to roll out. I did check the oil, which is good. As I always do, I checked the coolant. It's good. I did check the brake fluid, good and clean. The clutch, master cylinder, it was good. I put a little bit in it, but it's not bad. I don't see any leaks anywhere, so it may have been that way for a while. Clean the windows, inside and out. I haven't hit it with any kind of armor all, which I can do when I get there. You know, I don't care for tire shine too often, but I don't know. I got some. I may use it. I'm not going to worry about any kind of patina sauce right now. Got everything in the car ready to go. Still haven't. I took the car for a drive after adding fluid to the transmission and the diff, hoping that it was a little low and the overdrive wasn't working because of the fluid level. It's still not working, so it's electrical. I'll have to pull that all apart to get in there to see what the deal is. But I did hit the chrome a little bit with some polish, just enough to clean it up. Oh well. Got my seat cooler in there for water, so I still need to get all that gathered up. But we'll be ready to go here pretty quick. I had to run on a choke for a short second or two. Yeah, she's a triumph. Leaky. But yeah, we're about ready to roll. I'm just going to let it sit here and warm up a bit. And I'll clear out the passenger side for you. Make room for you. And we'll get rolling.
strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, 'cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. You told me you don't really feel committed to trust me.
Oh, you're going to the airport?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to go to Greenville and check them out.
Good luck there.
Drive safe. See you later. That's my mother's next door neighbor. We got a Cobra. Show off. Take a look at some of these cars. His is a Ford Falcon. Has a, I think he said it has a 490 in it.
So when you stop paying so much attention, and when you're moving in another direction, don't worry, I get it. I meant what I said when I said it, lady. I never wanna look at a house in the garden. I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. No, I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware this is a flash in the pan, but we can still have fun for now. Yeah, we can still have fun for now. Oh, we can still have fun for now.
Yeah, well,
I don't know, my phone just quit working. But this thing, she's gonna bark good.
Yeah. If you look at the
Total length is 20 foot 6 inches.
I wasn't sure if it was going to be the
Total
same.
weight
I guess it is the same.
is 1,600 pounds.
So it should be the same. Yeah. Yeah, if you just look underneath that page and see it, you make sure it's the same one. Good. Yeah. And, just make sure the event's on for me. Monday morning, be there like 9. Okay. Thank you, sweetie. Okay. Bye-bye. Come on, baby. Down here in the bottom, it ain't gonna stay. Don't worry about the knuckles.
The carburetor is in the front of the motor. He's running the carburetor. The air intakes are through that brass tube. Goes to the intakes, open rockers. This is an aircraft engine. So, Stromberg 2-barrel updraft carburetor with ram induction. Those are the primers. You open up the intake primers. You put a little fuel on the top. They're just a valve. And using a 2-stroke mix. gonna go water skiing later. Too much gas.
Yeah, we had a big fire coming this
Put a little more in her. He's got right there on the ground. Hang started because it was an airplane engine. You had to start it with the prop, so you're starting it with a lever. Come on, baby.
gets below a point it wants to go out altogether.
Getting your workout, Vic. Drive shaft went forward to a gear reduction box, then went out the back. So there's the prop is midship, or the prop is in the back, but the rudder is midship. It is a water cooled. That's why they have the barrel in the back for water flow in and out. 2 magnetos are on the back of the overhead cams. No battery, ran off magneto. The white lever you see, that's the rudder. That's what steers the boat.
Yes, sir. Every time. Yes, sir. I want to see you leaving the boat.
Come on, baby.
Leaving the boat party, you might just put use that garage door.
They only built 15 minutes straight, and then they built 20,000.
Lost the juice. Losing magneto. Wonder if they do have a battery hooked up. I don't know.
You'd have to ask my dad. I have no idea.
That's what that looks like. That has to somewhere I lost my juice.
But yeah, that's our local car show. It's a small one. Kind of low on participants this year because they had a big we had a car show just up the road about 5 miles up at Meadville Airport. And I think they took in a lot of the cars that used to come here. And then also Greenville, which is about 20 miles from here, has the largest car show in northwestern Pennsylvania. Last year it was over 2,000 cars. And we're going to head there and check it out. So let's go. Show's getting over. They drew the door prizes. And I'm heading to the house. I'm glad you guys stopped by. Thank you for watching. If it wasn't for you all, I wouldn't be where I'm at. Leave a comment. Always try to reply to my comments. And it's a good way for me to find your channel. Give me a big thumbs up and not the finger. And hey, why don't you go look at this video? You guys might like it. And we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye.